Many black people and others, such as Hispanics, Africans, will believe and think that life will be good because we have a black president in America for the first time in the history of America. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Everybody feeling good about that? I know I am. But let me tell you what the Spirit said. The spiritual forces say, I will say that you see this president is of the black race. If that is what you are looking for, then you will fail. The hope of the people for a better life should not carry faith in a black president, but instead in the truth of all races of people to ride the year in strength, destroying the power of doubt. You see that's good. That means we can't see him as black. We can't see no color. We have to see him as a mouthpiece to speak the truth for all races of people. What do you think about that? Yeah.